SADC has assured the people of Zimbabwe that their delay in announcing fresh elections in Zimbabwe will not at all affect the credibility and preparations for the June 30 elections in Zimbabwe. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. You don't need ages to register people for an election. That can happen in even 2 weeks. Look, Zimbabwe is not new to holding elections. What has been wrong is the way elections were held. ZEC has made the people of Zimbabwe believe that years are needed to register people and even more for verification. But even with as much as 5 years for ZEC to register people for the next election, a lot of Zimbabweans still would find themselves from the voters' roll. SADC will supervise these fresh elections in Zimbabwe and presents the region with an opportunity to learn how to run an election democratically. In today's news, SADC says you don't need months to register people. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.